Shabbat Shalom. Okay, let's start from haplotype A. Haplotype A is another word, haplotype Adam. And it is true that some say that dark complexion or the black African, the first human being. And I don't know, I never seen Adam for myself, but haplotype A carriers are in the continent of Africa. And haplotype A in the group is the, as I told you, let me show it to you. Haplotype A is Adamic, and it comes from the South Africa. It's a Khoisan tribe, and this gray zone is in Africa. Haplotype B right here is pygmies in DRC. And also haplotype B is close related to southern part of Africa, which is the South Sudan, the tall people, Dinka tribe, tallest people in Africa. And there is haplotype E. This is Black African, and also haplotype E has E1B1A and E1B1B. And these are the separated, but both of them are in the continent of Africa. Haplotype E and D is same group originally, but separated. This one here is Andamanese, and this person is not from Africa. Andaman Island is in the Indian Ocean, and E is in Africa. So the out of Africa, haplotype D, and also C. This is Australian Aborigine tribe. Okay, and this is out of African tribes. And this is a part of Africa, so that it goes haplotype A, B, E. This is the African in the continent of Africa. And out of Africa is D, C. Interesting, C is the carriers of Australians, Aborigines, but also C is a Mongolian. D is not always melanated person, but D2, D1B or D2 is Far Eastern country called Japan. German people have the same haplogroup. E1B1A is a West African or Bantu Niger Congolese. But also E is the carriers of North Africans and the East Africans. So D and E were same origins. Furthermore, Y-DNA haplogroup and E are siblings that share common ancestor haplogroup DE, but separated roughly 70,000 to 76,000 years ago. This split is deep-rooted and fascinating branch of human history as it led to two genetically and geographically isolated lineage. So D and E is the same origins, sons of Ham. Sons of Ham is A, B, E, D, and C. And F is a Syrian people, Aramaic people. And this is where the Semitic people start. And Japhet people start from after K. K, S, M, N, O, Q, R, also P is the Japhet or Indo-European people. And Semitic people is a F, G, H, I, J, L, T, and O. N is a mix into Shem. And R also mix into Shem. That's why you see some Jews have R1A, R1B. So conclusion of this is a part of Africa here, out of Africa. And out of Africa, this blue line is Semitic people. And after K is the Japhet people, K, S, M, N, O, Q, P, R. Interesting thing is Semitic people also include F, G, H, I, J, L, T, K. This is LT comes from K, but it is included in Semitic lineage. After K, they have L and T. I will distinguish the difference between the nation ethnicity and nation ethnicity. I will tell you the next chapter to explain to you more specific tribes.